Angiosperm classification. The Science of Taxonomy. A.P. de Candolle in 1813. Taxis means arrangement, nomos means rules or laws, taxon means taxonomic group of any rank, for example, family, genus, species, subspecies, etc. Three domains within taxonomy: identification, nomenclature, and classification. Identification determines unknown plants with known plants or plant group. Asking botanists refer to literature, flora, consult herbarium. For a beginner, the best option is the second one. Nomenclature, ICBN. Classification, artificial, natural, and phylogenetic. The fourth element is phylogeny, the study of interrelationship of taxa. If phylogeny is added to taxonomy, that is systematic botany. However, the word taxonomy and systematics have been used as a synonyms and are complementary. Systematics deals with the relationship between taxa, especially at the higher level. At present, systematics is greatly influenced by data derived from DNA, from mitochondria and chloroplast. This is known as molecular systematics. History of plant classification. Period of ancient to 1500 AD. Period of herbalist 1500 CA to 1580. Period of mechanical system 1580 to 1760. Period of natural system 1760 to 1880. Period of phylogenetic system is 1882 till date. Period of ancient Theophrastus from 370 to 285 BC. Greek philosopher book Inquiry into Plants in 10 volumes. Plants are classified according to their modes of generation, their localities, their size, and according to their practical use. Covered about 500 different kinds of plants with common names. Pliny the Elder in 23 to 79 AD. Gaius Plinius Secundus was a Roman naturalist. Historia Naturalis in 37-volume work about the universe, plant and animals, 9 volumes for made plant. Dioscorides, a Greek physician, pharmacologist, and botanist, the author of De Materia Medica, a 5-volume encyclopedia about herbal medicine and related medicinal substances, a pharmacopoeia that was widely read for more than 1500 years. In Materia Medica, there are about 600 plant species and their uses. Period of herbalist. Herbal means medicinal plant. 15th and 16th century, botany experienced a great general awakening in the field of medicine and classification. Herbalists include Otto Brunfeld in 14th century to 15th century and Jerome Bock in 1498 to 1554. Many plant genera names commemorate herbalist names. Example: Brunfelsia, Brunfels, Clusia, Charles here, Clus. Period of mechanical system. During 17th and 16th century, the science of botany developed as an independent discipline. Gaspard Bahun in 15th to 16th century, a Swiss botanist wrote Pinax Theatri Botanici, include about 6,000 different kinds of species. Carl Linnaeus or Carl von Linné, father of modern taxonomy, botany and zoology. In 1730, Hortus Uppandicus, an enumeration of plants in Uppsala Botanic Garden. In revised edition of the book in 1732, he arranged the plants according to his own system, his so-called sexual system. In 1735, Systema Naturae classified plants, animals, and minerals. In 1736, Fundamenta Botanica. In 1737, he published 4 books including Critica Botanica and Genera Plantarum. He proposed his sexual system of classification in genera Plantarum and provided description for 935 genera. In 1753, Species Plantarum, a two-volume catalogue of the plant kingdom, was published in May 1753. This book marks the first consistent use of binomial nomenclature, and it has subsequently been adopted by the botanical community as the starting point for modern botanical nomenclature. In Species Plantarum, Linnaeus diagnosed about 700 species and 1000 genera. Linnaeus recognized 24 classes which are based on number, union, and length of stamens. Period of natural system. During this period, plants were classified based on their relationship. Plants that looked alike were kept together. Michael Adamson in 1727 to 1806, French families Dos Plantae in 1763. He emphasized equal weighing of character and believed that all organs should be taken into account. Adamson is considered as a grandfather of numerical taxonomy. De Jesus family, Antony, Bernard, Joseph, and Antony Laurent de Jesus published Genera Plantarum. This is the first major work to be natural in its approach. He divided the flowering plants into 15 classes and 100 natural order corresponding to most major families. This is the natural photograph of Genera Plantarum. D. Candolle in France, three generations of D. Candolle. The first of these is Augustin Paramos D. Candolle in 1778 to 1884. That is A.P. D. Candolle in 1813 published a book entitled Theories Elementary de la Botanique. He introduced the term taxonomy to designate the theory of plant classification. A.P. D. Candolle's monumental work is Prodromus Systematic Naturalis Regni Vegetabilis, was an attempt to write a flora for the whole world. This work began in 1816, and after publication of 7 volumes, A.P. de Candolle died in 1841. Next 10 volumes were written by specialists and edited by his son Alfonso de Candolle. The prodromus include description of 58,975 species of dicotyledons and gymnosperm. The families were arranged in a linear sequence starting from Polypetalae, Ranunculaceae through Gamepetalous group and Apetalous group. The choice of Rannellian group as a starting point in linear sequence of the families had done much to popularize the system. Robert Brown, a Scotland botanist, not proposed any system of classification but contribute to better understanding of floral morphology and to classification problems. He pointed out the nature of gymnosperm, that is naked seeds, and their distinctness from angiosperm. John Lindley, an Englishman, in his introduction to the natural system of botany, proposed the first comprehensive natural system published in English. He recognized the difference between gymnosperms and angiosperms. The dicot were divided into polypetalae, apetalae, aclamidae, and monopetalae. Stephens Enlier, a Viennese botanist, divided the plant into thallophytes, algae, fungi, and lichen, and carmophytes, mosses, ferns, and seed plants. He presented this system in his book Genera Plantarum in 1840. George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker, Genera Plantarum in 1863 to 1885, 202 families. Period of phylogenetic system. The theory of evolution proposed by Darwin in 1858 influenced taxonomy in many ways. Post-Darwinian systems can be broadly categorized into two groups, the Englerian school and the Rannellian school. The Englerian school considers simplicity as primitive and complexity as advanced, and is based on the concept of progressive evolution. The Rannellian school considers the Rannell groups as the primitive, and evolution proceeds in both progressive and retrogressive manner. Englerian school believed monocots are primitive. August William Eclair, a German Blutengram, Adolf Engler, in collaboration with Karl Planter, presented a 20-volume work, Die Natürlichen Pflanzen Familion. Englerian schools, unisexual flowers the most primitive. Adolf Engler and Karl Prantl, Die Naturiklen, Pflanzen Familiar, first edition in 1887 to 1915, 288 vascular plant families. The Ranelian school, Charles Edwin Bessie, Bessie's cactus, John Hutchinson, 2-volume work, The Families of Flowering Plant, Arman Takhtajan, Diversity and Classification of Flowering Plant, and Arthur Cronquist, The Evolution and Classification of Flowering Plant in 1988. The John Hutchinson, Royal Botanic Garden Kew, Families of Flowering Plant in 1973. 328 families are classified. Arthur Cronquist, a New York Botanical Garden, an integrated system of classification of flowering plant in 1981, 388 families, the evolution and classification of flowering plants, second edition in 1988, 389 families. Arman Takhtajan, Komrov Botanical Institute, Leningrad, Diversity and Classification of Flowering Plant in 1997, 592 families. APG classification. With the rapid advance in the field of molecular research with respect to DNA sequencing over the past 3 decades, provided new data sets for classifying angiosperm more precisely, with the efforts of 2 international group of systematic botanists from Royal Swedish Academy of Science and Missouri Botanical Garden, a new classification has been proposed under the umbrella of Angiosperm phylogeny group in 1998. With the effort of 29 botanical systematists around the world, APGC was proposed. APG relies on the synthesis of information from disciplines of morphology, anatomy, embryology, phytochemistry, and more strongly on molecular studies with reference to DNA sequences of 2 chloroplast genes and DNA and 1 gene coding for ribosomes, nuclear ribosomal DNA. ATPB, RBCL, and 1A8ESR DNA, a total of 4,733 BP. Silent feature of APGC. The system is based on the sound phylogenetic principle of constructing taxa on the basis of established monophyly. The traditional division of angiosperm has been abandoned and various monocot taxa placed in between primitive angiosperms and eudicot. The monocots are placed under 2 groups, the Commonilidae and the rest of the monocots. These 2 groups find their place after primitive angiosperms. APG in 1998 recognized 462 families under 40 monophyletic orders, which were classified under few informal monophyletic higher groups, monocot, eudicot, rhozaids, and asterides. There are 81 unplaced families. APG second in 2003, APG second recognized 457 families under 45 orders. Of the 45 orders, 44 are placed in 11 informal groups. Contrary to APG 1998, which has 81 unplaced families, in APG 2, this number has been reduced to 40. APG 1998 and APG 2003. APG3 in 2009, published in October 2009 by a team of 8 scientists in the name of APG3. Professor P.F. Stevens lead the revised edition, total 413 families, except 10 families like Ceratophyllaceae, Boraginaceae, and rest of the 403 families are assigned to 59 orders. 11 clades 59 orders, 5 unplaced not in clade, 4 at beginning, 1 after monocot, Ceratophyllaceae. 413 families, unplaced within the order 10 families, for example, Boraginaceae. Taxa of uncertain position, 2 families, Apodanthaceae, Cynomoriaceae, 3 genera, Gumilia, Petinaceae, Petinia, and Nicobardiandrium. Thank you.